Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Deals, Rides, and Adventures. Thank you for stopping by. Those of you that's not stopped by, thank you for dropping in. Today guys, I'm going to be doing a review on a few items I just ordered from Amazon. Yes, it is Amazon. Don't tell me you don't shop from there. So today I have ordered, or in other words, yes, a couple days ago, I ordered a Insta 360 stick for my GoPro. Yes, in the future I do plan on getting a Insta 360, but anyway, I wanted a longer stick for my handlebars here, guys. With the GoPro on, the other one I had was not as big. And I also ordered some these action cam mounts that fits on your handlebars. It's got all kinds of attachments with it. So I'll take a look at that. I ordered a several piece set. And I also ordered one of the flat jacks, the motorcycle jacks. And I don't even know what's in this little, come with accessories, the little box. But let's go ahead and open up this Insta 360 box here. Take a look at this lightweight stick, they say. So, this bad boy up, and we'll take a look at it and see if it's going to work for me. Okay, it's lightweight, but we're going to have this thing to. There we go. There we go. Yeah, boy. It's also got the, I guess it's a 9/32 thread here at the bottom, guys. I don't know what number. I think it's a 9/32 where you screw in the other accessories. And it's got the male adapter on top for you to use it like that. I did order the accessory where you put your GoPro attachment in here for the GoPro. It is lightweight, guys. You put it on your handlebars like that, behind you, mounted on the back of your trunk or saddlebag guards. It is light as a feather, and that is the Insta 360 stick. You can use it for the camera. So I like that. It folds down to this right here, so it's easy to fit in a backpack, saddlebag, or your trunk. I think this here is the little attachment that fits on the GoPro, and it. Yes, it is. It's a little attachment here that fits on top of the male threads. So I'm gonna open it up and put it on there. So how you guys been doing? I know a lot of you guys been putting up videos about every other day. That's awesome. I've been watching all your videos, shooting some comments or something or other. Definitely hitting the like button. So that little bad boy will go just like that, and the GoPro will go there. So I'm satisfied with that so far. Not even used it, of course. So let's take a look at all this accessory box here that fits on your handlebars and what kind of extras it has. Guys, I got my saddlebags off. I washed the motorcycle the other day. It was had about 1 million bugs on it. And I had to get I found a real good deal on a low pressure washer. Got it used. Got it gave to me, in fact. So you can't complain over there. Alright. You guys are seeing this. I'm going to hold the camera up here. I got it on the tripod, but get your baggie full of all kinds of accessories, guys. Stickies there and whatnot. So I'll set this here. This is a little thing with the ram mount. I'm not sure if it's the C clamp or the turn knob. Yeah, I like it better. There's the ball. Fits around where you screw the selfie stick on. You gotta have that for the tighten down the selfie stick and whatnot, you know. So that's plus. That's what I showed in the kit on Amazon. And here's some more This is another attachment with a ball end to put it somewhere else. And here is actually an arm, guys. Here's an arm, a little fluted cut CNC, and it's not plastic, guys. It is a little, probably about 6 inch in size. It's a double attachment end that you put accessories with and be able to bit it up. So that's good. We'll figure out where and how I'm going to use this, guys. But I'm satisfied with all the things so far. I'll get all that stuff set up, but not right now anyway. I'm going to set this back in the bag. And we're going to take a look and see what this jack looks like, guys. The orange jack, it's rated for, I think the Amazon listed it with 1,100, 1,200 pounds. And my Street Glide, I think it weighs in with the trunk about 1,000. So I really want to use it as just to level the bike up when I'm needing to work underneath it a little bit, or maybe use it to change oil. But I usually change oil on the Jiffy stand. I do my own oil changing, guys. Save your money. Don't take it to a dealer. You can save 400 bucks or so by changing oils and all your 3 hose yourself. Alright, guys. I'm gonna hold the camera down or hold it over top of this, and there's some bubble wrap on top of this thing. Comes with a little manual how to use it. We'll set it right there for now, and I'm gonna lift this thing up. I'm gonna raise it and see if this camera's in view. See what it looks like here. Yeah, it's okay, but see what it looks like. There she is. It's got an OMT as the name of this one, and it's got the piece where you put your socket on. Came with a little whisk brush here for whatever reason. I guess cleaning it or dusting it off or something. And I'm not going to use these little flimsy gloves, but it'll give you a pair of work gloves. It give you this. It gave me this piece for the ratchet to go on. This here slides on to this other metal part. Steel socket the boat here. You put your ratchet on it and crank it up. And I've got a bar here, this pin with a Carter key in it. It'll go somewhere else. I think it's probably a lock guard here, guys. Probably a lock guard. I'm gonna set those in my little chair over there. And we'll set the box down here. I'm gonna use my other little chair, and we'll just look at these directions here and take a quick look here at it. Yeah, I've got that, I got that, I got that. So I'm cranking this by hand. We'll check the box here again and make sure I didn't overlook anything, and I didn't. Here's the little socket they make that will fit on it if you don't use the attachment here, guys. So we already got the pin crossways through the scissors, or other than that it wouldn't pop up. It wouldn't raise and keep the two joints together, the metal. So you see it moving slowly here. I'm going to take that out and T-Griff shizzle. They're calling it a T-Shizzle. This longer pin, guys, they're saying, let me find some English here, guys. Lord, we got some Japanese or something, German. And this longer pin is used at the bottom. Yeah. As a, I see now. You used to lock it in if you slide this bar across it. And I'm gonna pick his jack, little small jack up here. Oh, I dropped it. Woo! I'm gonna pick this little jack up and show you the 3 hose slots that's got on each side. And right now I've got it about okay. So what we would do, guys, I'm gonna grab the camera from the tripod here, and there are 2, 3, 4, 5 slots here. And what you would use this pin for, slide it in with a carder. Y'all see those 5 holes? They're on each side. So what you would do is use this pin as a block to prevent, I don't think it would ever, for some reason it did slip, the jack of the motorcycle. You got the carder key here. You pop it in the other side. And that way the pin won't slide out and everything be locked up all good and everything like that. So this little bad boy is just used as a T-handle, just like so. But it didn't come with another carder pin, which I got carder pins for it. It's all good. I'm gonna put the camera up here, let you guys look at it. I think it'll serve my purpose for what I'm using it for. It's like, I got that for like 75 bucks off Amazon. There's my orange jacks underneath the table and my little orange accessories I got on my toolbox. But I like it, guys. I like it real well. Like I said, here's your little socket. You can use a ratchet on it because it is going to be a whole lot more weight lifting up your motorcycle, of course. And for whatever reason, they give you some kind of little brush. Don't think I'm gonna need it. Maybe dust the bolts off or something like that. But anyway, guys, appreciate you guys for stopping by. If you've not already, stop by and hit the like button. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think about this right here. It's the maybe 2nd or 3rd review I've done on some little small items. And it's like sitting off level here. It is level. It may look not level in this little chair that's might not be sitting right, guys. But yeah, I sprayed the motorcycle off the other day, and the saddlebag is sitting here. I'm waiting to throw some more wax and get a good sealer on it. And guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up, and like I said, thanks for stopping by and watching. Drop a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe. And thanks for all you returning subscribers that stayed with the video this far. I'm gonna get off here. You guys ride, be safe. and I'm gonna plan a ride somewhere Saturday and hope to get some video coverage. All right, guys, love you guys.